Hello again. In the previous video we looked at a report that has got drill down functionality in this one here, and the latest one that we did was drill through. So you can do a drill down this way and then drill through, or a linked report by clicking on this particular reseller that takes you to another report that has got all the information about that particular reseller. In this particular video, what we'll be looking at is multi-valued parameters. So within the linked report, we looked at the parameter as well, where we have a particular reseller name. That's only one reseller name. In this case, you got bike part wholesaler. But if you want to change that to another one, another reseller name, you can just type in the reseller name and then hit enter or click view report here, and that will take you to that particular bikes. It is that will take you to that particular reseller. So what if you want to do or select multiple resellers here? So you don't have a drill down, or you can't type in multiple names here. So we'll look at that one in this particular demo. We'll go back to design view. We'll just add a new report, or just take a copy of the previous reseller details report that we previously did. So copy, just basically Control C or right click and copy, and then go to report, and then just press Control V. That will copy that particular report. So in here you can, I'll just leave it like copy of reseller details. If you want to change it, you can double click on that one. That opens up that particular report. What I'll do is I'll basically remove these additional information that we don't really need at this moment, just for this demonstration purposes. And then I'll go into the data sets. This is the same data set that we created previously. So in this particular video, we are covering few other additional steps as well. So we just saw how to copy a particular report and then reuse the same format or same report. So when you copy that particular report, you will get the data sets and data sources as well along with that. One thing you can do is you can remove this one, remove this data set. I'll just click OK. So there's no data set there. I'll open up this old report and then open the data sets there, and then right click on that particular data set, and then I'll say convert to shared data set. Already exists. Okay, so it's already existing. So probably I have created that one previously. Yes, there you go. So it's reseller details DS, so it's already under shared data set. So I'll go back into this report, and then I'll right click add data set, and then within the data sets here you already got one of the shared data set, which is the previous one there. So I'll just rename that one reseller details underscore DS. Okay, just name it same. Yes, click OK. So you got that automatically. So what it means is that you got one data set and you're using it in multiple reports, but it has to be in the same project though. Okay, so I'll just go and preview that. Okay, type in Zimbo bikes, and then you get all that information about that particular reseller. So what I want to do is basically change that to multiple valued parameter. So first thing I want to do is go into this. Okay, so in this case this might not work. So what I'll do is I'll add this data set again. Just go in there. I'll tell you in 1 second why it won't work. So in here, in this previous data set, I got this where condition for the reseller name. So if you are doing a multi-valued parameter, I can't have this where condition. So I click cancel. I'll just go and add a new data set. reseller details underscore ds, and then I go use embedded in my report, embedded dataset, and then click, then put this select statement that we copied from the previous report, and I'll get rid of this where condition. So it's very straightforward select statement there. Click OK, and then I'll go to the parameter, and then double click on the parameter there, and I'll click on allow multiple values, so you can select multiple values from there. Available values, you can go and say get values from a query. So I'm selecting my data set here, and then value field is the reseller name, and the label will be the reseller name as well. So what we're doing is basically going in and getting all the distinct reseller names from this particular reseller. So available values will automatically do a distinct of this particular table and particular field. Default values, you can have a default value. For now I'll just leave it as no default value. Click OK. So another thing that we need to do is, because we didn't had any conditions here, we need to somehow filter this table for this reseller. So what I'll do is I'll just click on that table, right click, or I can click on anywhere on these gray tops, or on the left side or in the corner, and then you'll get this Tablix properties. So I just click on that, and you just need to add a filter. Click add, and then select the reseller name from this data set, so that will automatically come up. And then here, this is where the important thing is you need to select in. So because it's multi-valued, so you need to say in. So unfortunately you can't change that condition. In the where condition you can't put where reseller name in at reseller name. I'm not sure why it doesn't work that way, but if you add it in the filters, it works fine. So you're selecting the expression, which is the field name, the reseller name from the data set, and then operator is in, and then within the value, the way I would do this one is basically click on this formula, click on that, and you get this expression box. So go into the parameters, click on parameters, and you'll have all parameters available in this report. So in this case we got only one, so I'll just double click on that one. That will bring up the expression or the parameter value or the formula. In this case, because this is a multi-valued parameter, I don't want this 0 in the brackets. I'll just remove that one and double click on the value, and that will give only that particular part. So click on OK, click OK, and now if we go preview, now you got a drop down box here, so you can see all the distinct resellers available here. So I'll go and select all, and then click view. That will give all the resellers available. Okay, so and then I go back, click on that one, and then untick select all, so it will untick everything else. So I'll select few random resellers, click here, anywhere else you can see the reseller name, comma, and then another reseller name, comma, and the reseller name. So this is where the in functionality will come in. So click view, that will only show for those 3 resellers. So this is how it works, guys. This is the multi-valued parameter report. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please leave your comments below, and please take care, enjoy, and keep smiling. Goodbye.